In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo S70 key fob. This is a very easy process and it will just take you a couple of minutes to do at home. The only things you'll need are one CR2032 battery and a Torx head screwdriver. So it's this star-shaped screwdriver that you may have seen, and this is actually a size T8 Torx screwdriver. If you don't have one of these, there will be a link down in the description to get something like this on Amazon. As you can see, have that screw right there, the star-shaped screw. So you will need one of these, and you will also need one CR2032 battery. And these are really inexpensive. You can get them online as well. And there will be a link to get one of these on Amazon down in the description. So the first thing we need to do is just remove this screw on the back. Again, I'm using a Torx screwdriver, size T8. And you'll just simply remove the screw. And now as we start to pull this open, we actually can see there are two tabs holding it in place. Don't just pull it open, kind of push it up off of those tabs as you're removing it. There we go. I'm just going to use the same screwdriver to gently pry the battery up out of place. Go ahead and remove your battery, grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has this plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just click that into place. And now we can put it back together. And again, be mindful of these two tabs on the top. So you're going to slide it down first so that these tabs go into the holes that you can see right there. And then you can just push down the other side. And all we need to do now is twist the screw back in. That's all it takes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was nice and easy for you. You got a new battery in your key fob that should last you for years. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.